low while I pop a bottle off of ya. Chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always at the guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, never drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for a party that's a no.
Just pop the Kenny about a million options. So just talking to stop doing agreement. I'm rock arenas, bringing the peace. I'm bumping that park.
Insinyur Soekarno, or commonly called Bung Karno, who was born in Surabaya, East Java, on June 6, 1901 of Raden Persokami Sosrodihardjo with Idayu Nyoman Rai. Insinyur Soekarno was a true hero. He is credited for not only his own people but also its devotion to peace in the world. All agreed that Insinyur Soekarno was a man of unusual that not necessarily born again. In our country, Insinyur Soekarno was the father of a nation that cannot be replaced.
Dry my face, don't need that VVS. My